I've got 36 expressions, sweet as pie to tough as leather. And that's 6 expressions more than all those Barrymores put together. Instead of just kicking me, why don't they give me a lift? I think it's a plot, because they scared that I got such a gift. Well, I'm miffed, 'cause I'm the greatest star. I am by far, but no one knows it. Wait! They're gonna hear a voice, a silver flute. Oh, 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 oh. They'll cheer each toot. Oh, she was terrific. When I expose it. Now can't you see to look at me that I'm a natural Camille? As Camille, I just feel I've so much to offer. Divine, because I'm a natural cougher. Some ain't got it, not a lump. I'm a great big clump of talent. Laugh? Oh, well, they'll bend in half. Did you ever hear the story about the traveling salesman? 1,000 jokes. Stick around for the jokes. 1,000 faces. I reiterate, when you're gifted, then you're gifted. These are facts, I got no axe to grind. Hey, what are they, blind? In all of the world so far, I'm the greatest star. Who is the pip with pizzazz? Who is old ginger and jazz? Who is as glamorous as? Mr. Ziegfeld, here I am. I'm the greatest star. I am by far, but no one knows it. That's why I was born. I'll blow my horn till someone knows it. I light up like a light, bright up like a light. I'll flicker then flare up. Oh, the world's gonna stare up, looking down your